Gadgets have become an essential part of modern life, simplifying everyday tasks and making them more efficient and fun. Whether you're shaving, cooking, fishing, or simply enjoying a drink, the latest innovations are always ready to surprise us with new ways to improve our daily routines. Below is 10 mind-blowing gadgets you may not have realized you needed until now, each offering something unique and practical. Number 10. Razor Rinser, an eco-friendly shaving revolution. Shaving is a daily routine for millions of people, but did you know the typical method of rinsing your razor under running water wastes a significant amount of water? The Razor Rinser offers a solution that's both efficient and eco-friendly. Using only 118 milliliters of water, this clever device cleans your razor blades thoroughly, removing trapped hairs and shaving cream. This not only conserves water, but also keeps your sink tidy. The best part? It works with almost any cartridge razor. By reducing water waste and ensuring a clean, smooth shave every time, the Razor Rinser is more than just a shaving tool. It's an essential gadget for those looking to make their grooming routine more sustainable. Available on Kickstarter, this innovative device is priced at $26. Number 9. Temp Spike, smart cooking thermometer for perfectly cooked meals. Cooking meat to the perfect temperature can be tricky, but the Temp Spike is here to help. This high-tech cooking thermometer pairs with your smartphone, allowing you to monitor your food from up to 500 feet away. Ideal for grilling, smoking, or oven cooking, the Temp Spike ensures precision by giving you real-time updates on the cooking process through Bluetooth 5.2 technology. The Temp Spike kit includes 2 temperature probes, one that measures up to 100 degrees Celsius and another that can handle up to 300 degrees Celsius. Whether you're grilling a steak or slow cooking a roast, this tool takes the guesswork out of cooking. For $80, it's a small investment that can help you become a master in the kitchen. Number 8. Husky Beer Cooler 2.0, the ultimate drink chiller. If you're someone who enjoys a cold beer on a hot day, the Husky Beer Cooler 2.0 is a game changer. This compact, insulated cooler works with cans, bottles, or even as a glass. Its insulation keeps your drink cold for hours, while a built-in bottle opener adds convenience. Plus, the cooler's design prevents your hands from getting wet, keeping you comfortable while you enjoy your beverage. At $33, this multi-purpose cooler is a must-have for beer lovers, whether you're relaxing at home, tailgating, or having a backyard barbecue. It's not just a drink holder. It's an all-in-one beverage solution that keeps your drink at the perfect temperature. Number 7. Physics Draft Pour, bar-style beer at home. Ever wanted to enjoy bar-quality beer at home without having to leave your house? The Physics Draft Pour brings that experience to your kitchen or living room. This innovative beer dispenser works with both cans and bottles, pouring your beer with the perfect amount of foam to enhance the flavor and aroma. It's ideal for hosting parties, impressing guests, or simply enjoying a pint in style. The Draft Pour can handle containers up to 750 milliliters and runs on AA batteries or via a USB connection. For just $98, you can elevate your beer experience at home, ensuring that every pour is as fresh as it would be straight from the tap at your favorite bar. Number 6. Tool Card Pro, 40 tools in the size of a credit card. Why carry a toolbox when you can carry 40 tools in your wallet? The Tool Card Pro is a credit card-sized multi-tool that packs an impressive range of functions. From screwdrivers and rulers to bottle openers and wire cutters, this stainless steel tool is designed for those who want convenience without sacrificing utility. Whether you're camping, fixing something around the house, or just enjoying a cold drink, the Tool Card Pro has you covered. Made from durable 420 stainless steel, it even comes with a detachable clip that can hold money or credit cards. This compact tool is ideal for anyone who values functionality on the go. Priced at just $33, it's an affordable gadget that proves good things come in small packages. Number 5. WowStick, USB rechargeable compact drill. For the DIY enthusiasts, the WowStick is the ultimate compact drill. With its sleek pen-like design and USB charging capability, this tool is perfect for small precision tasks, such as drilling through cardboard, plastic, and even aluminum. The wow stick operates at speeds up to 400 RPM and comes with 8 drill bits, ranging from 0.8 millimeters to 2.2 millimeters. A full charge takes just 40 minutes, providing up to 2 hours of continuous use. It's lightweight, easy to use, and extremely versatile. Whether you're working on a small project or need something precise, the wow stick is a great tool to have in your arsenal, and it's priced at $52. Number 4. Scent Blender. Hunting just got easier. Hunters know the importance of masking their scent, and the Scent Blender is an innovative tool that allows you to create a custom scent right in the field. By using natural materials like leaves, acorns, and creek water from your hunting area, you can blend a unique scent that helps you remain undetected by wildlife. In just 1 minute, you can mix up to 350 milliliters of liquid, which you can then spray on yourself and your gear. The Scent Blender is perfect for serious hunters who want an edge in the field. It's not just any scent spray. It's a personalized solution that adapts to your environment. Priced at $89, it's a must-have gadget for those who want to blend seamlessly into nature. Number 3. Astro Eye T2, a lifesaver for flat tires. Dealing with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere is no one's idea of fun. But with the Astro Eye T2 portable compressor, you can inflate your tires in no time. This powerful device delivers up to 11 atmospheres of pressure and can run for up to 40 minutes, long enough to inflate all 4 tires if needed. The Astro Eye T2 connects to your car's cigarette lighter or directly to the battery, and its user-friendly controls make it easy to operate. At $56, this tire compressor is an essential tool for any vehicle. It's compact, easy to store, and could be a lifesaver when you find yourself in a remote area with no service stations nearby. Number 2. Deeper Fish Finder Start. High-tech fishing at its finest. Fishing just got a lot more fun and efficient with the Deeper Fish Finder Start. This lightweight gadget is perfect for shore fishing, allowing you to scan underwater terrain up to 50 meters deep. It uses sonar technology to detect fish and even differentiate between fish sizes, providing real-time data on fish location and depth, ensuring you make the most out of every cast. With its long battery life, up to 6 hours, and lightweight design, only 65 grams, it's perfect for weekend fishing trips, fitting easily in your tackle box without adding bulk. The user-friendly app syncs seamlessly with your smartphone, displaying detailed underwater maps, fish activity, and even water temperature, offering insights that can greatly enhance your fishing experience. Whether you're a seasoned fisherman or a beginner, the Deeper Start will help you understand the underwater environment like never before. At $144, this fish finder is a valuable tool for anyone who loves spending time on the water and wants to improve their chances of a successful catch, making it an essential companion for all fishing adventures. Number 1. Modern Tie, a fashion revolution for men. Tired of fumbling with tie knots every morning? The Modern Tie eliminates the hassle by using a magnetic strip that attaches directly to your shirt's top button, allowing for a perfect fit every time without the struggle of traditional knotting. This unique design gives you a clean, sleek look, ideal for anyone pressed for time or those who simply want to avoid the frustration of imperfect knots. Made from high-quality silk, it's suitable for both business and casual attire, making it versatile enough for any occasion. Whether you're headed to the office, a formal event, or a casual dinner, the Modern Tie adapts effortlessly to your style. It comes in a variety of designs and colors, ensuring there's an option to suit every personal taste. The Modern Tie not only looks stylish, but also saves you time and effort. It's a perfect blend of form and function, offering both sophistication and practicality for the modern man. Priced at $41, it's a revolutionary fashion accessory for men who want to combine convenience with elegance while staying on trend without compromise. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed discovering these innovative gadgets, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and recommendations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.